Hi, this is Luke from Petrol Parts Pro. Today we're 2015 Nissan Micra, stock number 6827. This ran from the 10th 2010 to the 12th 2016. It has an HR12 1.2 litre 3-cylinder petrol engine, backed by a 4-speed automatic transmission. This is the HR12 1.2 litre 3-cylinder petrol engine. Left front 14-inch steel wheel to tyre, left hand door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear 14-inch steel wheel to tyre, left hand tail light, rear tailgate no dents, right hand tail light, right rear 14-inch steel wheel to tyre, right rear door 4 dents and missing handle, right hand door mirror, right front door card, right front master switch, automatic gear shifter, heated AC controls, factory single stack stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,